In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username on interactive brokers. First, a quick reality check. Interactive brokers does not let you rename your primary username because that ID is the permanent key to your account. The practical workaround is to add a new username that you can use to sign in, and if you're on an institutional setup, you can also set an account alias to make your account easier to recognize. Start by signing in to Client Portal and landing on the main dashboard, often labeled Positions or Home. In the upper right corner, open the User menu, the small Head and Shoulders icon, and choose Settings. Inside Settings, look for Users and Access Rights. This is where you manage logins tied to the same account. In the Users panel, click the Add or Plus button to create a new login, type the new username you'd like, and create a strong, unique password. When you're asked whether this is a secondary user, select Yes, because you're creating an additional login for your own account, not transferring access to someone else. Continue through the prompts, review the summary, and submit to finish. Depending on your security settings, you may need to confirm the change with two-factor approval. Once the new user is created, you can sign out and back in using that new username. Your original username will still work. You're simply adding another credential that points to the same account. If you use an institutional account and want a friendlier label for internal clarity, set an account alias. Open the User menu again, go to Settings, then Account Configuration, and select Account Alias. Enter a short, recognizable name, like a desk or strategy label that makes sense to you, and save. The alias helps you identify the account on screens, reports, and trading tools, but it is not a login name and does not replace your username. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Pick a username you won't confuse with any other profile you manage. Keep the password long and unique, and never share your login details. If you don't see users and access rights, your permissions or region may differ. Reach out to support to enable user management. And remember, none of this changes your account number, funding setup, or trading permissions.